The Centers for Disease Control estimates tens of thousands of people were exposed to toxic chemicals known as PFAS for decades at the former Pease Air Force Base in Portsmouth, New Hampshire.
A federal health study will investigate the impacts of that exposure, but they need more people to sign up. News Center Maine's Vivian Lee has our update from Seacoast, New Hampshire.
The potential health impacts from exposure to toxic chemicals known as PFAS is on Andrea Amico's mind every single waking moment.
I don't want any other family to ever go through what my family has been through and to have to advocate strongly for health studies.
The nightmare began in 2014 when she discovered that her husband, who worked at the former Pease Air Force Base, and two of her children in daycare drank water laced with forever chemicals. The chemicals have also been linked to serious health problems, from organ cancers to immune system dysfunction.
We can't undo what's been done. We can't go back in time and stop the exposure, but we can do something today to try to learn from it.
The CDC's Agency for Toxic Substances and Disease Registry is recruiting children and adults who drank water at the base between 2004 to 2014.
Here today for the Pease study.
But it's been difficult to recruit enough patients, and that's troubling for families who've worked so long and so hard for answers.
Is to have it not have scientific power or statistical significance because we didn't have enough people show up. We know thousands of people have been exposed.
The study needs 1,000 exposed adults and 350 kids ages 4 to 17, but only 60% of adults and 26% of children have signed up. The study is not a walk-in clinic. Participants must call ahead to set up their blood and health screenings. Children will also undergo neurobehavioral assessments. Dr. Frank Bove, one of the study's lead investigators, tells News Center Maine the Pease Health Study will evaluate cholesterol levels, diabetes, and impacts on liver, kidney, thyroid, and immune function. In children, the study will evaluate the impact on sex hormones, attention span, memory, and inhibition control, and on neurodevelopmental outcomes such as autism, ADHD, and behavioral disorders. Andrea, along with her 3 children, are helping spread awareness about the study, from TikTok videos to putting up signs with information at the trade port and throughout the Seacoast area. As a way to reach more potential participants, federal health officials plan to set up a booth at the Thunder over New Hampshire Air Show this coming weekend. The event, featuring the U.S. Air Force Thunderbirds Air Demonstration Squadron, the first time in 10 years, is expected to draw thousands of people from throughout the region.
And they can sign them up right then and there, kind of get them the preliminary enrollment started.
The results of the study is expected to be key to help this community and dozens of others across the country dealing with PFAS contamination. In Portsmouth, Vivian Lee, News Center, Maine.
Federal health investigators say enrollment will continue until the end of the year and possibly into 2022. We'll have more information on how you can enroll in the Pease Health Study on our website and our News Center Maine app.